Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing well and good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos. I know you are waiting for latest video. So, guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your another favorite topic. Today, I am presenting latest new style short haircut ideas. So, let's start the video. I am sharing beautiful short haircut ideas with bangs. I am presenting beautiful short haircut with bangs with later shaved and undershaved haircut ideas, without bangs, with chin length, shoulder length, with graduate haircut, with wolf haircut, with tomboy haircut, and short layered haircut. You can select your favorite haircut from these haircut ideas. Well, these all short haircut ideas are really amazing that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So, ladies, don't waste your time. Just pick up your favorite one by taking screenshot, or you can also download this video as well and go to your hairstylist and let me know also which hairstyle and haircut you select for yourself. Well, it will be my pleasure when you will share your haircuts with me. On the other hand, you can also share your ideas that what kind of videos you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video according to your choice and ideas. If you like the video, you can appreciate me through comment section, and also you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. Thank you all for supporting me. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really honor to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice and ideas next. You can see how beautifully girls are carrying these beautiful hairstyles. These hairstyles are really casual, classy, also fashionable, ready to go anywhere, anytime, like kitty parties, fashion events, and wedding events as well, and get togethers also. After getting these hairstyles, you don't need to style them for a long time. These hairstyles are really latest, easy, and classy and gorgeous also, and these hairstyle will enhance the beauty of yourself as you are beautiful already, no doubt. So guys, keep watching the video, keep sharing, as keep supporting the channel, keep supporting me as well, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a great hair day.